Hello! So, today I want to talk about this 3M7503 mask. As you can see, it's a silicone mask. I still don't have any FFP masks, unfortunately. So I'm gonna be reviewing these kind of masks for a couple of months. I mean, not a couple of months, but until I will have a normal FFP mask. So, as you can see, there are the ABAC filters in it. That's because I have been doing stuff recently that involved acidic gases. Uh, let's check this out. So, as you can see, it has this little opening down here. That is the outtake valve, and if I take them off, you can definitely tell that there are those little bayonet little connectors, and those are the intake valves. It has this little hole in it, which I don't know the purpose of. So I've been talking about the general design of those masks in the Ellipse P3 in the Ellipse P3 video that I made. Sorry, I'm tired. And this is the average mask bands. So there is a little clip thing down here that you can just do that, and there is this plastic thing up here. As you can see, you can adjust those. Yeah, there are some very so there are three main types of masks of whole face respirators of the 3M brand. The first one that I like the most is that. It's the 7503. But there are some other, I mean not 3, but 7500. That is this mask. It's from silicone. You can adjust this head thing to your face. It's more durable, and you can replace parts from it. There are two other types. It's the 700 series, 7000 series. The 6000 series, it has two masks. Oops. One that you can, I'm gonna wear that now. One where there is, okay, specialized. So one that I like from the 6000 brand. If you want to remove the mask, you have to manually just pull that down. But the guys at 3M figured out that you can just do this. There's a little grip down here of that kind of mask. Not this kind, because this kind is, as you can see, there is no grip, and you can just pull that and the mask will detach from your face. And the 6200 models are the most commonly used masks for painting and doing things. It's more durable. It's more durable. It has more replacement parts. As I said, it's from silicone, so it tolerates UV more. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear it for the third time now. It's a bit hard to get used to that you have to do that. But yeah. Okay, it's pressurized. So that mask is very good. It's a bit big for me, but that's what I could find. These are the filters for that. I'm gonna make a video about those filters and other types of filters for that mask, but I'm gonna try to replace those while the mask is on my face, because I think that should be a good indicator that if you have a unlikely scenario that you have to replace the filters and you can't flee the area, like, I don't know, you like there is a chemical disaster happening outside and the filters aren't working anymore, you can smell the gas, so you have to manually so you can't remove the mask, but it's a very unlikely scenario. So with the ellipse filters you can't replace the filters while the mask is on, so it's a bit tricky because one is, so you have to aim. Okay, wait, maybe I can just do certain things to get the mask on, if that would be good, but it's really hard. Okay, I'm not risking to break one of those little dots from here because that would ruin the mask. So I'm gonna try this with goggles right now. Okay, so goggles are just kind of sitting up here. They are providing protection as far as these goggles go, but the main thing that, as you can see, there are little side protectors, but there are huge holes. Like, if there is a spillage or something, that will definitely be bad, but for frontal protection, they are fine. Oh yeah, and there is a huge gap here. And they don't fog up. With those masks, that's common. Like with those half face kind of plastic, like not the paper respirators, but with those kind of respirator, that's common to. So, well, yeah, if you're wearing those, your glasses won't fog up as much as they would with a mask, and it's fitting pretty good. Yeah, it's perfect. Like this with goggles, it's fine. I know I said that I will try those with face shields, but I'm lazy, so I don't do this right now. So yeah, ignore that. And in short, with short periods of time, that mask is really comfortable. But there is, I don't know if you can see, but there is some pressure thing. I mean, the mask just obliterated my face. So that's one minus, and the other is those these traps. They are just jiggling around. They can be solved, however, but they are just annoying. They aren't a design flaw or anything. And the mask doesn't block up my nostrils. The rubber is thinner here than in the top of the mask than here. I don't know why. So yeah, as you can see, once the mask's on, and it's comfortable, I don't advise to remove the mask, because it's a pretty tricky part to get it on. While you can have good protection. Also, it has a very special outtake valve, a very good voice diaphragm, I think. So yeah, those things aren't so convenient. They being the field of my vision. If I turn around, they are like bugs. But with every adjustable mask, you can do that by just simply doing this. Like, as you can see, it's here. You do this with the other one. Here. So yeah, that problem is solved. Yeah, I don't know if there's anything else to say. I think there is no things to say. It's a very good mask. I would recommend it if you can find that in a good price. They are usually about £10, which is a lot in my opinion. But not £10. Wait, what? No, sorry, not £10. They are. Sorry, we have a forint in here in Hungary, so that's about 1,000 Hungarian forints. So yeah, it's about. But I won't. I'm not gonna calculate that. So it's a good mask if you can find it for. Well, if you can find it in a good price, I would advise to buy that instead of the 6,000 ones, which are. I mean, there is not much of a difference, but if you can find it cheaper than a 600 something one, I would definitely say buy this because it's more durable. It's more. It's better. It's overall it's better. So yeah, that's it. See ya.